How to make money online. Here we go. We're going to go with 5 super easy ways. These are my 5 super easy ways of making money online. Number one, we're going to go with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. One of the top companies out there, one of the ones that are known. You have Amazon, you have JVazu, you have this one as well called ClickBank. And ClickBank is a company where you can find different products to sell. Most of these are pretty much ebooks or things that you can learn online, not really a physical product. They have some, but most of it are not. And again, it teaches you different things, whether it's cooking, food, business, yada yada. And you can, in return, they will give you a link that you're able to put out, and you can put out that link, and whoever buy from their link, of course, like I told you guys before, will purchase, and they will in return pay you for all those who click on their link and buy things. Um, Here's one of my favorite guys, Thing Media. He is talking about a wireless fitness headset microphone. And then if you look into the description, as you see, he has 3,300 views, uh, 3,358 views. You're looking in the description. He also has, a little write up about it with the link. There's the link. So if you click that link, um, it will go straight to the product that he was reviewing in this particular video. All right. And that is also, that's almost like killing two birds with one stone. That is also another way to make money is review items. You go out, you buy items, and you review it. And you say if it's good or not. And if it's good, you put the link in the description. If it's bad, of course, you do not. You give an alternative to what they can get to get better quality from whatever that you are reviewing. So again, you got in there, put the link, and you go straight to the product that he was reviewing. Another one would be called drop shipping. I found before I went on, I found a drop shipping store for you guys, and this store all he does is sell bags. He sells bags for traveling. He's also do bundle bags and also different little things that helps with packing. So whether it's a shirt protector, as you can see, packing cubes, mobile tool case. So anytime for people who are packing, or traveling, or whatever the case may be, this is a good store to go to. Um, so to let you know how he do this, he go to a site called AliExpress, and he get bags from here. They are different type of bags that you can find. Say for instance, you will find this bag here, and you will buy this bag for $68. But on your site, you will sell it for, give an example. This is not the exact bags, but I'm giving an example. $249. All right. So you will buy this for $68, and you probably will sell it for $150, $200, whatever the case may be, to get your profit margin up. What will happen is you will go to this store here. You will click on it. I want to buy this. You will fill out your information and buy it from here. And this guy will, the store will receive the money, whatever the case may be. And in return, this guy or the store will use the money that you gave to them and buy this. And also, when they're filling out the information, they will fill out your address and your whatever your name, your address, and send it to you. And in return, the 150 that you gave him, they would give $68 to buy this and then ship. And this company, which is in China, or they have some in the U.S. as well, will ship this item straight to you. So the guy that you bought it from has no inventory, no anything. All he does is getting your information, and in return, he puts it in, and they're shipping it to you from China. Another one will be Fiverr. Fiverr has a lot of different things that you can do, or whatever that you're good at. Maybe music promotion. You can write jingles or voiceovers, do a lot of acting for acting videos, email marketing for people, whatever the case may be, business. You can just do what you're good at, what you're great at, and you can put it out there for them. I do a lot of sales funnels, so I have a funnel Fiverr for sales funnels out there as well. Another one will be YouTube videos. I just went over that a little bit, but YouTube videos is very easy. Talk about what you're passionate about, what you know about, and you use that to grow your channel. And in return, YouTube will pay you to grow your channel for views. I'm sorry, and watch time. Another one would be blogs. Blogs is a very, very profitable niche. The thing is, one thing I love about blogs is like turning your passion into profits. So you can be talking about sports, and you can write a daily blog about sports, about things that you NBA, whatever the case may be. And on the side of that, you might see some advertisement that you can click. You put some things over there to click on. People click on it, they go buy it, whatever that you got selling on the side over there. But anyways, it's different ways to raise money for blogs. But blogs is like turning your passion, what you love, into profits. So these are my 5 things. I think I named probably 6 to really get you started. Look into it. These are simple things that I love about making money online, whether it's affiliate marketing, drop shipping, YouTube videos, Fiverr, blog, and I think I say even give some reviews on products. And that is a good way also to make a good little change online. Well, that's it, guys. I am out. You guys have a great day. Peace.